Hello, this is Kim with Exit Town and Lake Realty. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are at 408 Longwood Drive, Tanglewood subdivision. That's located in Bracey, Virginia. This is a lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with stove, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator. The owner will be installing a washer and dryer. The home does back up into the golf course of Tanglewood, which is absolutely beautiful. I'll show you that real quick. So your golf course is right there. Have a nice garage over here for extra storage. Probably park a vehicle in there. Use it as a workshop. Master bedroom has a walk-in closet. There is a working TV, however, the owner cannot find a remote to it. You're welcome to use it if you would like. We did leave it there in the event of. Nice garden tub in the master bathroom. Sure, that'd be nice after working a long day. You have a stand-up shower as well. Two guest bedrooms over here with another bathroom. Asphalt driveway. Tanglewood does offer an additional package that you can get for the pool, beach access, golf course, tons of things, and you can check that out through Tanglewood Homeowners Association for those prices. For more information on this property, please give us a call, 434-955-1114, or visit us online, lakegastonrentals.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.